Good morning, children. Today I'm explaining chapter 12, equation in one variable, standard 8. This is a very easy chapter. Try to understand the concept. Okay? Very means you have to consider how to use your plus minus sign like that. So here 12 equations of this 8th standard I'm explaining. Okay? Here equation in one variable. Okay, this is the lesson. Now what do you mean by the solution of the equation? The value of the variable which satisfy the given equation is called the solution of the equation. You understood? The value of variable which satisfy the equation, and this is called solution of the equation. Now to find the solution of the equation means very easy, solving an equation. Got it? The equation obtained by performing the same operation on its both sides does not change its solution. Very important. The equation obtained by the performing the same operation on its both sides does not change its solution. This you have to know. Now, using some properties, we can obtain new equation and solve the given equation. Now, some properties are there. You have to concern about this property. Okay. We can add the same number. See here. We can add the same number. We can add the same number on both the sides of equation, on both the sides. Okay, both the sides of equation. I'll write this property first and then I'll explain with example. Okay, now second property, we can subtract. Okay, we can subtract. We can subtract the same number, the same number, the same number. Okay, from both the sides of the equation, from both the side of the equation. Okay, try to understand these properties, then it will be very easy. We can multiply both sides. See here, we can, okay, we can multiply, we can multiply, okay, we can multiply both sides of an equation, okay, of an equation, of an equation by the same number, by the same number. Try to understand. Okay, Here we can divide. See here. We can divide. We can divide both sides. I'll give some example, then you will come to know. By both side, okay, both side by same non-zero number. By same non-zero number. Okay, these are they, try to understand this, then you will come to know how to do it. Okay, now examples I'm giving you here. Here I'll give you. See here, suppose example here, x plus 1 is equal to 5. Okay, this is 1. So what you will do, by subtracting both sides. See here, therefore is a very important sign. If you forget to write this sign, the teacher and examiner won't give you mark full. They will cut your half mark. So you have to write a therefore sign, very important. So x plus 1 and minus 1 to the both side, you have to write it. So plus 1 and minus 1 is got cancelled. Therefore, very important, x is equal to here. 5 minus 1 is 4. So answer you are getting. You understood? Very easy, like try to understand very carefully. Now one more example give you here. This is the second. Suppose x plus 4 is equal to 9 given. What you are going to think of? There are many ways to. Now this is x plus 4 minus 4 is equal to 9. Minus 4. Got it? So therefore, very important, therefore x is equal to 9 minus 4 is y. Got it? Because plus 4 and minus 4. Now there is a other way you can do it. See, x plus 4 is equal to 9. Okay? Therefore, x is equal to, you take this when 4 number is in left hand side, you take to the right hand side, it will become minus. The sign is will be going to change. So x is equal to 5. You understood? These are the some examples. One more means I'll give you one more examples like this. So you will be very well to understand here. X minus 2, x minus 7 is equal to 2. Okay. Now what you are going to do, I'll do directly. Therefore 2, and when minus 7 comes this side, it becomes plus. So therefore, you understood, x you have to write x is equal to 9. Very important. Got it? Very, very well. Now you can do in this form also. Suppose x minus 7 is equal to 9. Therefore, x minus 7 plus 7 is equal to 2 plus 7. So, therefore, x, this minus 7 and plus 7 got cancelled and it will be 9. You understood? Try to understand the concept, then you will come to know very well as such. One more example I'll give you so that here, now here, 4th sum. Listen. Suppose the equation is given 3x plus 5 is equal to 8x plus 28. Okay? What you think of the equation, in what manner you will do? Therefore, you keep 3x as it is, bring this 8x to the left hand side, because it is no sign means plus, you make it minus 8x. Got it? is equal to 28 you write here, and this 5 goes this side, that is right hand, so it becomes minus. Now consider the greater number sign. Plus 3 or minus 8 is greater. So minus 8 is greater, write that sign. And 8 minus 3 is 5x. Got it? Now here 28 minus 5. So it will be 23. Okay? I'll proceed over here. Therefore, here x minus x is equal to 23. You bring to the denominator place 5. Therefore, x is equal to minus 23 upon 5. Very, very important sums. You can do it. See, this is the way you can do in your way. Now I am going to explain one more sums here. See here. The sum is in, suppose, in upon form. We can write this A upon B is equal to C upon D. In this way, suppose the sum is given. So what you are going to do is what? The multiplying both sides, B into D we get. Okay? Now here we can directly write AD is equal to CB. This is try to understand. Now I'll give one example over here. See here. X minus 1, okay, upon 2x minus 1 is equal to, got it? 4 upon 9. What you are going to do? See here, therefore, you write this x minus 1 in bracket, and no need to write a multiplication sign. This two brackets shows it is a multiplication. So here, same it is like this. So 9, therefore 9 into x is 9x. 9 into minus 1 is minus 9 is equal to 4 into 2 is 8x, and plus 4 into minus 1. Plus into minus, it will be minus sign. So it is minus 4. Got it? Bring like terms together. Okay? Now 9x is given here. You make it 8x minus. Now what you do, minus 4 is given. You make it here 5. Okay? Yeah. So in what way x minus, yeah, 9 and here 4 to the 8, and this is correct. Now 9x minus 8x. Got it? So it will be 1x. You write only 1x. Minus 4. Yeah, minus 4. I am mistaken here. Minus 4 you have to write here. Minus 4 means plus 9. I am mistaken here. That 9 will come like this, and it will be 5. It happens to all the students, us, some, if you do the negligent, it happens like this. So see here, 9x minus 8x minus 4, then this minus 9 comes this side, it becomes plus. So plus, consider greater number sign, plus 9 minus 4, it's like this. So I'm going to explain one more example of this way. See here, you will come to know very nicely. Suppose m minus 2, okay, and 3m minus 4, like this given, and here 6 upon 5. Listen in what way you have to solve this. sum. Very, very easy. You can solve this. Okay. Now what you have to do? By cross multiplication, m minus 2. Okay. And here 5. Again 6 and 3m minus 4. Very easy. Now therefore, so 5m. Okay. And here minus plus means 10. Okay. Here 6 threes are 18m and 6 fours are 24. Okay. Now bring the like terms together. 5m minus 18m. Okay. And this is equal to sign minus 24. As it is, you write plus 10. Okay. Now consider the greater number sign. So here plus 5 minus 18, it will be minus 13m. Is equal to, consider here minus 24 means it will be minus 14. The equation will come in this manner. Therefore, m is equal to minus 14 upon minus 13. So, the equation will come in this form. 14 upon minus goes get cancelled and it is 13. This is the way you can solve it. You understood? It's a very easy way to understand very nicely. So today I'm explaining about this practice set. Practice set 12.1. Okay. Now the instruction given, each equation is followed by the values of the variable. Decide whether these values are the solutions of that equation. Okay. Now one I'll give you. Here x minus 4 is equal to 3, comma, and the x is equal to minus 1, comma, 7 and minus 1. See, we have to write very clearly, nicely, clean and tidy. We have to solve. Now solution. Solution in what way? We'll do it now. First you take x minus 4 is equal to 3. Okay. Now putting x is equal to minus 1. Here it is given in equation. In equation. Okay. We get in what way? See here, in place of x you can write minus 1 minus 4 is equal to 3. Now minus 1 and minus 4 you have to add it and it becomes like this. Now minus 5 is not equal to 3. You understood? This is not, sign is not equal to. You have to know this sign. So what we have to write now, therefore this is a very, very important sentence you have to write. Therefore, see here, x minus 1. Sorry, I'm very sorry. I'm writing here. X is equal to minus 1 is not solution of the equation. Solution of the equation. See, just if you ignore it, so be careful about that. So x is equal to minus 1. Okay. Here, like this, here I'll write x minus 1. Okay. Nicely. Otherwise, I'll write it here. See here. You cancel it. Here, x is equal to minus 1 is not solution. is not solution of the equation. Okay? This, if you write this sentence, then you will get a good marks. Okay? Now second step. Again, x minus 4 is equal to 3 is given. Putting x is equal to 7. Putting x is equal to 7. Okay? Don't write everything in detail. Now, in 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So, 7 minus 4, it will be 3. So, this is equation is getting properly. So, therefore, here, therefore, okay, x is equal to 7 is the solution, is the solution, is the solution of the given equation, of the given equation. Okay? Yeah, of the given equation. Okay? Now what you do, now second step, here we'll do it. Last step. See here, x x minus x minus 4 is equal to 3 is given. Okay? Putting x is equal to minus 7. See here. So minus 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So minus 11 you can write is not equal to 3. What it? Minus 11 is not equal to 3. Therefore, very important. Therefore, x is equal to minus 7 is not the solution. Is not the solution. See here, is not the solution of the equation of the given equation. Very try to concentrate in your while solving. You have not to think of other. You focus your mind on the see here, little bit here. What happened? I'm telling you, each and every human being, sometimes the mind got distracted. So when you solve your sums in a maths, focus your mind on the example, on the topic what you are studying. Today you understood. See here, I explain it with the everything you understood. So this is the way you have to. If you understood this here, I'm just winding this. You understood this in what way I have solved it in a. Don't be hurried to solve your exercise. Try to understand the concept. One example, it is enough to know how you are going of this for a simple variation. And this is the way I have solved it. So if you like this, my explanation, then you like it, share it, and write the comments. And suppose if you are not getting to understand, you please write your queries, doubt in the comment. So I'll be in a ready to give you feedback. You understood? It helps in the this thing if you are accurate in your maths. Maths is a very scoring subject. Now 7th standard, 8th standard, this is a base, but in 9th standard, you have to more variables, algebraic expression, quadrilateral equations, many are there, you have to solve it. So be careful about this sign and focus your mind, concentrate what you are doing. I'm promising you Yes, I'm challenging you. If you solve in this manner, you will get 100% mark in your maths. So, maths and science is a very scoring subject. You have to focus on the math subject and practice that one exercise two, three times. Even the science also. You have to read the lesson, try to understand the lesson, concentrate in the class what teacher is teaching. Then you come home and read that lesson. Jot down the important points. You understood, sir? See, some explanation, some you can understood the lesson nicely. So this is the eighth standard. You have to be careful about your studies nowadays. The education is the must. Without education you can't do your future, like future prospect. Education is a life. You are studying for your life. Thanks for today. This is, I'll continue this practice set of 12.1. I'll solve some on then my other video. Thanks for this. Okay.